Third time. Third time. Third time. Sasha! Okay. Oh my god.
Can you just use what you
turn back around. That's because you want to know.
Recording this.
get ready to turn back around?
Yeah, dude, I caught that on camera. You did? Yeah. Well, I didn't catch like, who threw that? No, I did. I caught that in voices.
Up here. Whatever. Give this. That's you. Give here.
Ball in. What the? They threw a shoe.
You can stop that laughing.
Okay, Ben, do not call me because this is the third time recording. Or call your mom because you're a mama. Dude, we should call this like cat fight with the mama's boy. Dude, that was great. Welcome to. I was about to say if you stopped it. Welcome to Bus Ride Home Daily. The reason we're late is because of Ben, first time, and my iPod dying. I'm Auto HD. Oh, you're tasting freaking. Oh, we have to show him what I said. We have to show him what I said to Winston. You should have slapped me. Hold on. Did you ever? What? Government tracks your phone. Oh yeah. Whatever you put on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, the government will track your photo. They will track. That's why I changed the most viewed video on my channel, the fast food porn sex. That's why I changed it to something different. It's probably not going to get as much views. I called it.
I'm right here. You don't have the text. Okay.
But Ben, yeah, I changed that on the most viewed video on my channel. I changed the name to Katie and Palm Tree. Because I didn't want the government to like, I don't know, because you know how like in the future it'll catch up to you? Yeah. I may become a famous YouTuber. You think I should do that? That'd be kind of cool. I mean, I do want to be a state trooper. I just had play, and it felt so good. Ben is playing a stupid Flappy Bird thing that's Flirty Birds. Zoom. Look how far I zoom. Hey, Jalen. 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 Get Jalen. Oh, wait, hold on. I can make face. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm dancing so fly. Yeah, I got no skill. I need to get a life. Proper Sheeta. Hater, high shot. Oh, I don't know what to do. I just gotta color. Look at that coloring. Color. Yeah, the best at coloring. You got nothing on coloring. Jalen. Zoom! Ben! Zoom! Highway! Oh, crap. Zoom down the highway! There's a car! As we see the natural ear in its habitat. Zoom! Soldier boy up in this hole, watch me grab. No. Soldier boy up in this hole, watch me crank that, watch me roll, watch me crank that. Soldier boy and Superman that. Now want me you crank that soldier, you crank that soldier, want me you, soldier boy you. Soldier boy up in this hole, watch me crank that, watch me. Stop! We have to do a soldier boy. Can't fight with mama's boy, mama's boy. Zoom! I forgot to do zoom. Soldier boy! Someone took your off your foot. Jalen, let's see that picture you drew. Let's see it. Stop making me.
That was very important. I got 25.
Let me see your drawing. Let me see. Did Kevin just call me a terrorist?
No.
How does he know my secret?
Oh, no, he didn't call you a terrorist. Someone stepping on my jacket.
Jacket murder. Wait, huh? As we see the natural air in his habitat. Oh God, it spotted us! Sniping truck!
Kevin, why is there a truck?
Dude, have you hit the lottery? Give me some of that! Blah bling, blah bling. As we see the natural air in his habitat. As we do not see the natural ear. Oh God, it's spotted us! Oh, God, my guts are everywhere! Oh, my ribcage! Oh, my ribcage! Fuck off, Chris! Fuck off!
When you get on the bus, there's a lot of chaos right there.
Ah.
Get on the bus. One thing I noticed, okay?
As we see the natural Jalen in his habitat, we are unseen because. Dude, he just mugged you. He just mugged you. Take it, Jalen. Go, go, go. Dang it.
There's that candy corn.
Take it, Jalen. Dang it, you're attached to it. Take it, Jalen. You want to see something? Yeah. That's me. Ready? Look. Haters gonna hate. What did it say? You're texting yourself. Eating Jalen's butt. Soldier boy up in the hole. Watch me create that sizzle.
That was really, really weird. What did you say to? That's what you're calling.
Hey, baby. Listen. Soldier boy up in the hole. Watch me cut that. Watch me roll. Watch me drink that. Soldier boy and Superman that hoe. Wise guy. I saved it. Oh.
Stop. Text me that.
Hammer time.
Okay, fine. Damn, but no. Right now. Not right now.
Yeah, bitch. Zoom.
I'm going in hibernation. Hibernation.
You're going to a new English class because that teacher is not teaching you anything. Take it, Jalen. Go, Jalen. Go, 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 go.
Stop.
Hammer time.
Do.
Hammer time. Ben. What's the capital? Ben. No. I asked you a question right quick. What's the capital of Thailand?
Capital One.
No. Ben, get up here right quick. I asked you a question. Stop. Okay. What's the capital of Thailand?
Capital One.
Bangkok. Back my saw. I'm mugging you. Hey.
It's been riding for 10 minutes.
As we see the natural eye in his habitat not seeing us, and now the ear. Oh my god!